deep past that point. And we're just enjoying our Saturday afternoon. Water feels great. Kids are having a great time.
So we finally made it out here to Kbal Chay Waterfalls. This is the restaurant area and the little cabana area that we have here. Oh, there's Annette. Annette's in her little cabana, sitting in her hammock, in her little thatched roof cabana with the hammock. Hi, Ann.
Hey, Aaron.
And we have a nice view of the waterfalls over here. Just a lazy Saturday afternoon hanging out.
Okay, so I've dared Aaron to jump into the water. And
I'm having a hard time because it's really cold.
But at least it's clean.
But at least it's clean.
It's yellow, but it's clean. 1, 2, 3.
All right. Here Ann and I are. We've discovered this little river. We're just north of Kbal Chay Waterfalls. Here comes Ann, swimming down the river.